friends, Assalamu alaikum. I am Nafisa Hussain, teacher of National English School, Chittagong. So I hope you have understood today's lesson is. Today's lesson is water. Water. What is water actually? Water is a special gift from God and we should not waste it, because without water no living things will survive for a long time. So all living things need water, like human beings need water, plants and animals need water. So without water we will not live for a long time. So how is the water actually? The water is transparent, traceless and colorless. Now, how we use water? We mainly use water for many things like drinking, cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, watering plants and bathing. So mainly we use water for many things. So now where the water comes from actually? It comes from rain. If there is no rain, there is no water on the earth. So the earth has 3 parts of water and 1 part of land. So only the planet we can survive, because here all the living things like human beings, plants, animals, they have water to drink. So where the water comes from mainly? It comes from the rain, and it fills all the water bodies like seas, rivers, oceans, lakes, ponds and taps. So these are the main sources of water. Now, how we get rain? There is a picture over here. When the sun rays fall on the water, what happens? The water vaporizes and it becomes water vapor and it forms clouds, and this way we get rain and we have rain. In this way we get water. So water is very precious to all living things, and the points we should remember is water is very precious to us and all living things need water. We cannot live without water. We should not waste water, and we should always drink clean and pure water. So, I hope you have understood today's lesson, and if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and share with your friends. So, thank you and bye-bye.